Game Show guys, here I am with yet another video, and today we are going to make an outfit for myself from my mom's saree. I am very excited to do this because मैं stitching बहुत time बात कर रही हूँ, and let me tell you how I got into stitching. So I am a fashion designing student and I have done a 3 years diploma course of apparel manufacturing and designing from SNDT college. So वहाँ पे ना एक subject था which is PMAC, pattern making and construction, जिसको simpler way में बोले तो it's stitching. And that is how I got introduced to stitching, and I can say I turned out to be pretty good in it, बोल सकते हैं. So and then I thought I should buy a machine for myself. So I think 1 or 2 years back I bought a machine, and मेरा Insta fam देखता ही होगा, I keep making some jugaad videos and something like that. And yeah, I have also made many outfits in my college. I have stitched many outfits which I can show you guys. So yeah, this is super fun for me to do, and the concept of recycling and revamping is what I also personally believe in. And I was anyway thinking to do something productive, so what's better than stitching an outfit from mother's saree. Let's see how it turns out. So I'm first going to roughly sketch an outfit, like how I want the outcome to be, and then we'll start in the stitching cutting process. And yeah, before getting into the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do it, and if you enjoy watching this full video, do like it, comment and give your feedbacks because it's important to me. Let's start. The top that I stitched, I know it doesn't look like a top right now, but I stitched it with a point that it can be worn in multiple ways, and obviously it's free size also. So let me show you guys a few ways that you can wear this as a top. That's the final look. Let me show this to my mom. Let's see her reaction. Mama.
अरे आ तुम्हारी साड़ी છે.
Yes.
वाव.
ગયું?
एकदम मस्त.
સારું લાગે છે ને?
सुपर सुपर.
Yeah.
बेस्ट. જૂનામાંથી નવું.
Yeah. मेरी हालत तो देखो,